Hey Google, find me the nearest licensed electrician in Westchester County that does emergency services. Macintosh Electric, #1 with 5 stars.
Hello, Macintosh Electric. Good morning.
Good morning, I have an emergency. I came to my business this morning and I have no power. Can you please send someone over immediately?
Sure, of course we can accommodate that. Please just email me all your information and let me jot down your phone number and we'll send out a service crew right away. Alrighty. Thank you. Please hold. For this emergency call that was just phoned in to me, I send and dispatch a troubleshooting expert to get to the root of the problem. Similar, we do the same thing in the office in the background behind the scenes at Macintosh Electric using cause and effect diagrams to diagnose the effect and the causes to get to the root of the problem. Just like in a troubleshooting call, I wouldn't send an installer to run a new line to drive up cost. I would get to the root of the problem, solve it, so that way it's always cost effective for the customer.